good evening. Welcome again in SNS Foods Kitchen. I'm a chief of the kitchen, Krzysztof Salwach. Today I would like to prepare for you a very simple dish, which is 1 minute steak from heifer strip loin. So we have a defrozen heifer strip loin, which we will marinate and very easy prepare in 1-2 minutes. See you. As I said, we will start with the preparing of the meat. In the previous part, we did from the frozen. Today I decided that we'll make from defrosted meat. We'll make a first marinade for the meat. Today I will prepare very simple marinade. So I will use soya sauce, a bit. Then we will use some spicy pepper. It will give us very good taste. I decided also today to use a bit of Worcester sauce. And a bit of pepper. As you can see, the meat is very nice marinated. It's perfect. Now I will put it for 6 hours to the fridge. And then, very simple cooking. See you. I will show you how to cook it now. As you know, you can, because it's very thin, you cannot make it, we can do it well done, medium or rare, but here I will prefer to make it medium or even well done because it's very thin, it can be crispy like bacon. And now I will put it on a hot oil and pan. Oh, it looks nice. Okay, now we have to wait 1 minute and we will see what is the result of our cooking. Many people are saying that we should not move the meat, beef meat, when it's on the pan. It should stay as we put it, just turn it over. It depends from the school. I heat it in a very high temperature, so it will close the meat and this part of juice which is inside and our marination will stay inside. Yeah, here we are. It's perfect. Look at this. 1 minute steak, very simple, very easy. You take it out, defreeze, marinate, 1 minute, food is ready. It's very simple food. Yeah, that's 1 minute steak. Perfect. Let's try it. If you have any question, let's ask me or our team. One more time, please visit our website, SNS Foods PL, and visit our YouTube channel. I hope to see you soon again. Have a nice day. Bye.